Okay. See what's going on down here. I want to put it on Facebook.
Before, but I ain't done it that bad.
This is pretty top-notch.
Yeah, mine was about halfway down.
He buried his, didn't he?
Same kind of ditch.
He buried it, didn't he?
I ain't no stopping it.
Golly, brother, you buried that thing. Look at that.
But almost quit.
That's what Mike said. We seen Mike. You didn't hear us blowing the horn? We just looked. They didn't. Okay.
I couldn't tell who was blowing it.
Got a lawnmower down this ditch. And he's trying to.
No, I was blowing at y'all. We was sitting right beside you at Gaggle. Y'all wasn't right. I mean, literally.
It's
right
amazing
beside
how this lawnmower went off this wrench here, off this ditch line, and down through there.
She had just called saying he fell in the house.
Okay, you got it hooked up down there, don't you? Got it hooked up?
You raise it all the way up? Yeah. All right, Mark, you're going to be the driver. I already got it in 4 low. You better stay down there. You're gonna I got to bring the keys up.
Yeah, don't throw them. We'll lose them.
Do you trust Gary?
I don't care who does it.
No, just put it in drive and just creep.
Yeah, just low and slow, dude. Yeah. Little pedal. And this ain't tied on. We gotta get tied on.
Hold on, Chief.
Look, if you can get tied on and I can go back down and tie the other end, I will.
Well, look, you want to.
This is going to be interesting.
We tried this before.
Getting this out. In the meanwhile, I'll sit in my chair that they got me. They gave me a chair to sit in. Oh, man, I like this chair. If I had my fishing pole, I could really fish. That lawnmower down that ditch. We're going to see how this thing pulls it out. We got a truck pulling it out. Takes a few minutes to hook everything up. So the reason why we're going to see this is unbelievable. Yeah, unbelievable how it. Thank God he didn't get hurt. He had an angel of God standing by him, because it slid all the way down that hole from the top all the way down in that valley. And it could have been bad news, but thank God he got off of it before it went. You know? He's going his way down. He's going to see, I think he's going to double it. I think that's what he's going to do. He's going to double it now.
Yeah, we probably got enough to come back up one more time.
I think they're going to double the wire. It's going to look good when they get it done. That's crazy how that thing just slid away all the way down there in the bottom. Unbelievable. See where it slid off right there? Stop right there. Slid off right there. Went all the way down that valley. Down at the bottom of that ditch line. How are you? Good. Thank God he didn't get hurt. Wow.
So we put actual part in there. We just happened twice. I don't think it's that much.
Yeah, the mower went down there. Yeah, pull it out.
This is going to be a miracle from God, y'all. Unbelievable.
I was going to Lowe's or Home Depot to buy some, and right before I left the house, I went out for the muck boots, and I was like, man,
You all right?
I got to roll on the ain't been twisted yet. Hang on, we're both going.
Alright, he's got 2 or 3 times down there. So it should be it. We got a good crowd. So we all see this come out of here in a minute. It's probably about down at the bottom of that ditch. But it didn't flip, he said. That's amazing. That had to be God. But he said he jumped off of it. He jumped off of it. God. That's amazing. Oh my God. Let's see if it goes. Now we got a GMC up here. I'll pull this mower out. Here we go. It's gonna work it. It's gonna be worldwide news, baby. Worldwide news. Channel 5's arrived. The lawnmower man. Here it goes. He's got the GMC. If you drive a GMC, we'll see if you pull this mower out of the ditch. It's down in there now, y'all. Look how far it is. This is amazing. This ain't no joke. This thing's way down there. I was getting ready to go to bed. I got it. Hey, I'm down the ditch. What? More down the ditch? You gotta be kidding. Oh, God. Couldn't believe it. All you can see is a little yellow seat down there. See how sitting way down in there? It's way up here. We're way up here. Here we go. All right, here we go. He's gonna go down there.
Just go all the way down to, I don't know if it's just drive or low. You'll see what you get in there.
Get away from there.
4 low. The trees.
Be careful. All right, here we go, y'all. It should get it.
You gonna move? What if I broke brakes? Right.
Ready? Yeah, give her a little bit. Load her up.
Should come right on up.
Rope or chain? Oh, okay.
All right, here we go, y'all. There it comes up the hill. Wow.
Perfect, just nice and easy like that. Can you stay in it? Oh yeah.
He's almost at the top. Wow. Halfway up.
I can't believe he could walk up the side of that like that.
He's got motors.
It wouldn't matter. I still could do that.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's out. It's out. It ain't totaled. The lights work. Whoa, that's amazing. There it is, Ron. Golly, that's a blessing there. Wow. Look at this thing. Now, everything still works on it.
Your front end still looks good on that one.
Yeah, it looks good.
Both of them,
Yeah, I don't see no,
but you're,
I don't see no total spot. Looks good.
looks good so far.
Looks real good. Let's see if she'll run. I'm sure she will.
Grabber there was digging in pretty
Let's see if it.
Yeah, I don't know if it's got too long. Yeah, alright.
You gonna run?
I'm glad the key stayed in it.
All right, he's back on the road, folks. God gave you a miracle, brother. Yeah! He's gone. 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 Your lights work? There you go. He's done for the night. Give God the glory in the end.